Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title is How to Transfer Bitcoin from Gemini to Exmo 2025, and I'm excited to walk you through this step by step. Whether you're looking to move your Bitcoin for trading, security, or just diversification, this guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Remember, crypto processes can evolve, so we're basing this on 2025 standards. Always double-check with the platforms for any updates. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Exmo. If you don't, head over and create them now. It's quick and essential for secure transfers. Once you're logged into your Gemini account, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any network fees. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to your Bitcoin. You'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, so choose Bitcoin. Now, the crucial part. Enter the wallet address from your Exmo account. To get this, log into Exmo, go to your wallet, and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. Paste it carefully into Gemini. Double-check for any typos, as that could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place. After entering the amount you want to transfer, review all the details. Gemini will show you estimated fees and processing time, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion in 2025. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on it. You can track the status on blockchain explorers like Bitcoin's official one. Head back to Exmo and refresh your wallet. Your Bitcoin should appear shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and be wary of phishing scams. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.